So let's see an example here. Two different group Me C double bond O pH, two different electron releasing group in presence of per acid. The product which is formed is Me C double bond O pH. Here pH is more electron releasing than methyl group. pH is more electron releasing than Me group. pH is more electron releasing than Me group. So if we see the mechanism here, pH H plus come, OH plus protonation occur here, then per acid O minus O C double bond O R, this come here, this go there. So Me OH O C double bond O R, here pH group is there, this one come here, pH group will be migrated to that oxygen atom, and this is H plus to form Me C double bond O pH. This is the product. So if we draw a conclusion, means the group which is more electron releasing, oxidation occurs to that side. If we consider this is Me3C tertiary butyl group and then methyl group, tell me from at what side oxidation occurs? Obviously that side, because this is more electron releasing group, that group will be migrate to O position. Similarly this group is more electron releasing, this migrate to that oxygen atom. Similarly this group, tertiary butyl group, will migrate to oxygen atom to form Me C double bond O C Me3. So which is more electron releasing, oxidation occurs to that side. If we consider this one, tell me at what side oxidation occurs? Obviously this side. So C double bond O here Me. This is the product. So oxidation occurs at the more electron donating group side. Some exceptions are always observed. There are some exceptions. Exception is always there in any reaction, anything. There are some exception. The reason is not clear yet. Reason is not clear. Reason is not clear means cyclohexyl group, this is pH. Expected that O comes in between this bond, but oxidation occurs that side. The reason is not clear. That is the product. If we consider this one here, pH, this, if we give, this is per acid, here also per acid, here also per acid. If we give here per acid, oxidation occurs that side, C double bond O pH. These are the exceptions. Tertiary butyl and cyclohexyl group will have greater migratory aptitude than phenyl. So from this we can conclude that tertiary butyl and cyclohexyl. Group have greater migratory aptitude than phenyl. Okay, these are the exception. Now let's consider one more example of this is not exception, this is regular, this is pH. If we give per acid here, this is the more electron releasing group that will migrate here, C double bond to O, pH. So between cyclopropyl and phenyl, phenyl group will migrate. pH group will migrate. Now if these are the group, if here one group is present which has a chiral center, then after migration what will be the configuration of the chiral center, whether retention of configuration or inversion of configuration. In Weierpflicker oxidation, retention of configuration of the migrating group always occurs. So this is very important points. Please note down this important point. Retention of configuration of the chiral center at the migrating group occurs. Retention of configuration. Retention of configuration of the migrating group occurs. This is the very important. Retention of configuration means if there is one chiral center is present, pH, C double bond O, pH. Let us consider here methyl group, here hydrogen. This center is chiral center because the four substituents are different. If we give per acid, then this group will migrate here. Then pH double bond O, pH, methyl hydrogen. The configuration of that carbon will remain same. Now if we consider the molecular orbitals, means which orbitals are taking part in this reaction, let's see. If we give metachloroperbenzoic acid or any per acid, then the intermediate which is formed pH, OH, O, C double bond to R group, suppose here pH and here methyl hydrogen. So if you see carefully that this group will migrate here, got it, and this here and this H plus. See, this is sigma bond, this is sigma bond and this is sigma star. This sigma bond is the HOMO, means this electron density, this sigma bond electron density goes to sigma star orbital of OO bond. This is the LUMO, highest occupied molecular orbital, lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. This is giving the electron to that sigma star orbital of OO bond. This is the main thing, and after that it will give to the product. So here retention of configuration occurs. This is the Weierpflicker oxidation. Thank you. So the key point is that the group which is more electron rich or electron donor group will migrate and oxidation occurs that side. And another one is retention of configuration occurs. That is the for chiral group, if chiral group is present in the system. Thank you.